Hey, good afternoon students. Today we are going to see the topic about cooperating process in operating system. Generally what is cooperating process means a process that can affect or be affected by other process. So which is executing in the system. So anyone explain about the cooperating process?
Two processes using the same data and resources may affect or may be affected by the process. That is called cooperative process.
Okay. And why we are using cooperating process?
Let's see why we are using a cooperative process. We use cooperative process for information sharing. Let's take multiple process may need access to the same memory at the same time. So, getting the rush out, we are using the cooperative process. Next, for modularity, breaking a task into a separate cooperating process or computation speed up. Parallel execution may be taken in multiple areas. For that, we are using cooperative process. Next, convenience. Dividing a large tasks into a small subtasks may need a cooperative process. Next, in cooperative process, there is a mechanism. The mechanisms are shared memory. The process can access a common region in a memory. Next, the message passing for processor exchange message in OS. Next, signals, notifications in between a process. When two processors are trying to use the same data or same memory, in here we use cooperation process.
So anyone explain about the cooperating process with real-time example?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
So let us take one real life example like banking system. We are going to take why cooperative process important or not. So let us take a married couple using a single joint bank account. So it has 10,000 rupees bank balance. So husband is going to withdraw 6,000 and wife is going to deposit 4,000. So these two are let us take husband process as process A and wife process as process B. In cooperating process, we actually do if one process takes place, the other process want to hold on and exchange. So if it is not happening, so let us take these two processes are happening at the same time. They are going to bank and husband deposit 6,000. Husband withdraws 6,000 and wife husband withdraws 6,000 and wife deposit 4,000. So these two processes happening at the same time. What will be the output? Or what will be the result of the bank balance? Like yes, maybe 14,000 or maybe 4,000. So these problem may occur in this when two process occurs in same time. So this we are using cooperative process. By using cooperative process, first if take one case, husband withdraw 6,000, then bank balance will be 4,000, and the second process will execute like they put deposit 4,000, then bank balance will be 8,000. There will no problem. So we are using cooperating process.
Okay. Anyone give me the conclusion about this cooperating process? And what your understanding is cooperating process with the real-time system?
Cooperating process, let me give an conclusion. Cooperating process, it's like when we are using a processor, one process should be taken at a particular time. A shared memory is not allowed. While doing that, we can get a collapsed or we can get any problem in the particular result. From this example, he has shared us about the banking system, right? In banking system, when a wife and husband do the process in the same time, both will be collapsed. Like bank account will get collapsed. Like it will show the balance as a 14,000. But when we are using the processor at a single time, like first husband will take that, next wife will take that. In that time, the bank account will run in a proper way. That's it.
Okay. Generally, what is cooperating system means multiple process can access the CPU. In that case, the CPU can generate any kind of token system, and also both process cannot access the shared memory. That is the major concept in cooperating process. Okay. So let us conclude this session with a small assessment. Okay. What are the mechanisms we are using in cooperation process?
shared memory and message passing and signal sharing.
Okay, why we are using cooperating process?
Like information sharing, for sharing the information, modularity, computational speed, then we are using for us convenience.
Okay, thank you.